All right, here we want to find the missing side and show all of our work. So we'll kind of go step by step here. We got two 45, 45, 90 triangles. So any 45, 45, 90, we know has side ratios of 1 to root 2. So I'm going to use these side ratios basically to bounce from one side to the next. So I've got to solve for this thing. I've got information about this triangle down here. So what I've got to do is use this info to relate to this middle side so that then I can relate it to this other triangle. So I know that this 10 is the hypotenuse. So 10 is going to be equal to one of these sides. I'm going to call this middle side A. So if I take A and I multiply it by root 2, then that gives me the hypotenuse. And here's the equation I'm going to work with in order to solve for A and then eventually relate it to X. So if I want to solve for that piece that connects the two triangles, I got to divide by root 2. I end up with 10 divided by root 2. That's the middle piece there. And I'm going to leave this unrationalized because we're still in the middle of the problem. So we can leave this for right now. As long as our final answer is rationalized, that's okay. So I've got an expression for A. I now want to find that and relate it to X. So I know that X is one of the sides. If I take X then and multiply it by root 2, then I get the hypotenuse, which happens to be A. So if I take X one more time and I multiply it by root 2, then I get the hypotenuse in that triangle. And so here's my second equation that I'm going to work with. I got to solve for X, so I want to divide by root 2. That leaves me with X equals, if I divide by root 2 here, that cancels. And I divide by root 2 over here. It's basically the same as multiplying by 1 over root 2. And now I've got to multiply my fraction. So my numerator becomes 10 over, my denominator becomes root 2 times root 2, which is simply just 2. And again, I just want to call attention to don't rationalize in the middle of a problem because sometimes stuff cancels anyway in the end. And we're just doing extra work when we don't necessarily have to. So I got 10 over 2. Go through and simplify, and my x is 5.